This is my droid D02U3L2. It's an evaporative cooler model. Yeah, she's old, but I don't have the heart to just replace her. I used to live in Tatooine, and she has always been there cooling me. Now that I've moved back home, it's time to give it a little TLC. She's going to be of use again, as it's getting hot even here. I have cleaned her once before, but it was years ago. Struggling to get the water thingy off, I always forget how to do it. Without being maintained that much, she still works properly. Man, I love unscrewing with a drill. Taking a photo so I know how to put it back. Here is a flat lay of all the parts that I can remove. It's really dirty. Most of it is just dusty, so hopefully it's easy to clean. Using hot water to probably dissolve all this gunk. I couldn't take the set screw off, so I just have to clean it this way. Notice how the water changes as I clean this thing. I think this is the dirtiest part of the fan, since it has never been cleaned before. I did my best cleaning it, but now here she is, back to her former glory.